Salam everyone, I hope you're doing really well. Welcome back to this channel, and we are continuing on our journey to understand the Quran in a quick and easy and hopefully fun way. I hope you've been finding these lessons really useful. We're continuing Juz Amma now, which is we're now at stage 3. So it is slightly tricky, and I do recommend you do stage 1 and stage 2. You can find the playlists on this channel. And then join us from this video. So keep watching. Appointed time.
Okay. So something like we made as the day of judgment as an appointed time?
Yeah. Or not
Okay.
we made. It's just it is in Nayama.
Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Good. Last one.
Okay, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. يوم ينفخ في الصور فتأتون أفواجا. يوم a day ينفخ في الصور. Sur is the roll.
Nafakh is nafakh. So remember when nafakhna fihi min ruhin. We breathed into him, or
okay.
blow the
Yes. No, that's not fun.
Sorry?
I was thinking about nefes in Turkey, but that's with the C.
And sur is the trumpet or the horn.
Yeah, okay. So a day where the trumpet is blown into. فتأتون أفواجا. Okay, فتأتون, no clear. No, I'm not. Yeah, I don't know. أفواجا, فواجا.
Fauj.
Fauj. I feel like I've heard that before. Fauj. فوق. We have no فوق. That's the فوج. I'm not sure about. فتأتون أفواجا.
Fauj is army or a group, or like Fauj we might have done in Surah Nabaa, or like a troop. Okay, well, I think Surah Nabaa was with the last troop. So it's like a group or a troop. So fatatuna, you know tatuna actually. It's just a very complex variation of yatuna or ata utia.
No,
You
I
know,
can't remember.
Atu zakat.
Give zakat.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
be in front of. It gives a cat.
Yeah. So, and also, it's like that they're brought forth, or to give, and also to go somewhere, or no, they were brought to us. Fatatuna afwaja, you will be brought in forces, in groups.
Okay. So it's brought.
So the day that the horn or the trumpet is blown, fatat, fa meaning then. So then you will be brought in crowds, and you will all come for crowds.
Yeah.
Cool. 18 verses. That's nice. Yay, and it wasn't as hard as I thought, which is amazing.
Alhamdulillah.
And it's a really nice surah, and all of them are, and it's so nice like that a lot of people have memorized Juz Amma as well, so it's going to be really nice that you understand it. So that's awesome.
وفتحت السماء فكانت أبوابا. وفتحت from opened. And so السماء sky, the sky will be open. فكانت, and there will be أبوابا, many doors. The skies will open and there will be lots of openings.
Yeah, it will become فكانت, and it shall be أبوابا, like gated. It will become gated.
Okay, fine. Okay. وسيرت الجبال فكانت سرابا. وسيرت سيرت.
So I think you might be able to guess from, like, you know, Siyara and Sar, it's that. And Sar.
Sayara is car.
Yeah. And or
So
any vehicle if you're traveling.
So the mountains will move?
Yeah, move. So you know how sad it would do for like the Urdu speaking viewers? Sad is like to go on a trip or something, to travel. And then sar is also to travel. And you know how they say fasiru wasiru fil ard, like travel in the land, and so that one.
Okay. So وسيرت الجبال, the mountains will travel فكانت, so they will be سرابا.
This might not be easy to guess. It's not very frequently used in the Quran, and it means like a mirage or something that goes freely or slips away. So it's like an image, but it sort of slips away. They will be blown away, and the image will be a mirage.
That makes sense. Okay. إن جهنم كانت مرصادا. Indeed, in Jahannam. No, indeed, Jahannam, hell is مرصادا. I don't think I know مرصادا.
So it's also in a different, Inna rabbaka labil mirsad. So what it means is like waiting, but like lying in, like from a place of ambush, to be ready to fire. Yeah.
Okay. So indeed, hellfire is like waiting.
Yeah.
للطاغين مآبا. للطاغين. The only thing I think I know is the lamb is 4. طاغين مآبا. I mean, no, I know طاغين actually. طاغين is those like people who do wrong.
Yeah, transgress. So طغى.
طاغين مآبا. What's مآبا?
So ma'aba is a return, place of return. And I'm trying to see if awab. You know how there's like innahu awab, like and awabin, God describes some people who constantly ask for forgiveness as awabin because they constantly turn back to him. And repeatedly turning, and then iyabahum from this surah. Inna ilayna iyabahum thumma inna alayna hisabahum. Verily to us is the return.
Okay, yeah.
And husna ma'ab is used as well, like to God is the excellent return, excellent place of return.
Okay.
And then
لابثين فيها أحقابا. Is labith, I feel like we've done that before, is somewhere that you stay.
Yeah.
لابثين فيها, so they will stay in it. أحقابا. I don't know.
Yeah. Talking about hellfire, they will stay in it.
Like forever?
For a really long time. So for ages. Ahqaba is for ages and ages.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what I mean. Like in Juz Amma, you get a lot of these unique words which aren't used very commonly in the Quran. So this is used twice, for example.
I guess I can imagine myself, like, when I read through this, I'm not going to remember what all these words mean, just because all of them are new.
Yeah.
Like, every ayah has a couple of new words.
But also you'd be able to guess them still, like this one, like
Yeah.
and you would know that it's talking about hellfire.
Yeah. Okay.
So you won't be completely lost.
لا يذوقون فيها باردة ولا شرابا. يذوقون فيها. Okay, so there's a negation in it, something cold, ولا شرابا, and nothing to drink. So they will not have anything cold or anything to drink?
Yeah, so يذوقون, from remember ذائقة or ذوق?
Oh, taste.
Taste, yeah. So
ذائقة الموت. Yeah.
They will not taste. Yeah, exactly what you said. Like كل نفس ذائقة الموت, every soul shall taste death.
Yeah.
So they shall neither taste cold nor any drink.
Okay. إلا حميما وغساقا. So I think I know what this one means from somewhere else. So إلا, except حميما, حميم is boiling water, and غساقا is pus.
Yeah.
جزاء وفاقا. Jaza is reward. جزاء وفاقا. وفاق.
So remember when we said jaza is not only, so in the Quran it's also used almost sarcastically for punishment as well, or recompense, like, oh, that will be their reward. So even though the word means reward, but it's also used for punishment. So wifaqa is like waqf, which is like an endowment, but, or like, you know, tawfiq, which is my ability or something. So wifaqa is like it's a fitting reward, or it is suitable or appropriate in amount, and yeah, an exact recompense as well. Wifaqa.
What exactly does tawfiq mean?
Tawfiq is like my ability or my success. So like wama tawfiqi illa billah, my success is only from God. So yeah, just it's like it's a full reward, or almost. I think this is also kind of in like an ironic terms, in that it's like a full reward for their punishment. Like,
that makes sense. Okay. إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا. إنهم كانوا لا يرجون حسابا. They did not رجع, return.
Yarjuna.
No?
Is like yarju. Do you remember? It means to hope. So yarju rahmata rabbik, seeking the rahmah, mercy of God.
So they did not hope for hisab, like a balance, like an account. So
Yeah.
they never hoped, they never expected to be held to account.
Exactly. Yeah. If there would be any hisab then.
وكذبوا بآياتنا كذابا. So, and they rejected in our ayat, in our signs, like, but because kadhaba is used again, so it's just emphasizing it again.
Yeah, that they totally and utterly rejected, or this one translates it good. They denied our verses with emphatic denial.
Okay, they denied.
Sorry, wait, you following that? It's like it's still carrying on, right? From this, like they never expected any reckoning, and they, like it's the same sort of. sentence being continued then.
وكل شيء أحصيناه كتابا. كل شيء is everything. أحصيناه كتابا. Everything, I mean, I'm guessing because it's on everything is recorded in the book.
Yeah, كل شيء أحصيناه is like numerated and clearly listed in the book. Very good. So that was it for this lesson. I hope you found that useful. Please do like this if you found it helpful and leave a comment. It makes my day and it also really helps the channel. So jazakallah khair and see you in another video.